Hi, I'm Rob from The Art of Health. I help people in my age group to stay sharp and healthy as they grow older, as they age. There's three main elements to The Art of Health. Firstly, food, nutrition, what you eat. Secondly, movement, exercise, how you stay fit. And thirdly, and most importantly to me, is art and creativity. It's what you turn your mind to, or what we turn our minds to stay sharp and bright. Everything in The Art of Health is based on the very latest research into nutrition, microbiology, neuroscience. I'm working with some people who are right at the cutting edge of those fields. So, if you're feeling a bit like you're slowing down a bit, maybe you're putting on a bit too much weight, maybe your memory isn't quite as good as it used to be, do you end up at the top of the stairs wondering what you're doing there? I've been there. Anyway, if you're feeling any of these things and you'd like to know more about how to rejuvenate yourself a bit, I'm holding an online workshop very soon, in the next couple of weeks. And if you pop your details in here on this page, or click the find out more button, I'll let you know as soon as we're going to go live with that. So I hope I'll see you soon. Thanks very much, Rob. Bye.